And I found the small bone. Wow. My bone is full.
Hey, come here. I'm ready.
I don't
You want your
it's
intro? Welcome to
It's a bone.
welcome to the Wild West, and welcome back to our YouTube channel from the Wild West. Yeehaw!
No, the small one. Mama, how we got the small one?
Honey, wait.
I got it. A small bone. A small dinosaur bone. Oh, I got a small dinosaur bone.
Are dinosaurs alive?
Yeah.
Are they alive?
Mama.
Just keep on making the hole.
Yeah, I make the
I
hole.
need a stronger.
I dinosaur bone again. Why is my stick there?
There's supposed to be a big. There's supposed to be trees.
Mama, I found the up.
Oh, you took the rock. You're supposed to be in the trees.
It's a big. Hey, I found a big dinosaur. I have a dinosaur. Wow. Put it back down. It's a dinosaur ball.
You need to put it down. We're not allowed to take it home.
Allowed to.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
If you are, then come on and help. What's this?
Well, I put it down. And I found another one. Look.
Oh my.
Zainab. It's time to learn that. It's learn.
Cleaning our car. That's good to do. That says the hand makes even more dirty.
I got this. A crystal. Zainab, I got a crystal. Zainab, this is a crystal.
Ghostbusters. Is they will clean cars. Ghostbusters actually clean cars. No.
Zainab,
It's a joke.
look, this is a crystal.